Horses sound, we have Speed Admiral, pass to begin, moving up in the middle, Magic Q, and on the outside, Forevermore, paminsan-minsan, Maximum Impact, about 7 wide, moving up, has it coming, then followed by My Cup of Tea, moving up on the outside now is Geronimo, and going along for the first turn, we have Maximum Impact by about 2 lengths, and in second is Magic Q, paminsan-minsan is racing in third, alongside Port Forevermore, then followed over by Has It Coming, down on the inside, Premier Edition, Speed Admiral, moving up alongside Geronimo, My Cup of Tea, Manila Magic, Batangas Sports, and trailing the group is Matigas. They swing into the back, and that's still entry number 9, Maximum Impact by about 3 lengths. Magic Q now coming closer in second, then in third, moving up, Has It Coming, paminsan-minsan, draws back in fourth, Premier Edition alongside Geronimo, moving up, My Cup of Tea on the outside, Speed Admiral, Manila Magic, Forevermore. Now we've got entry number 6, Magic Q takes the lead by about 2 lengths. Has It Coming, My Cup of Tea, moving up, Geronimo on the outside, My Cup of Tea. As they come down to the last 200, we have Magic Q by about 3 lengths. Moving up on the outside now, Has It Coming, Premier Edition, My Cup of Tea on the outside. Last 100 meters, we have Premier Edition, My Cup of Tea, moving up on the outside. Entering the finish line, it's going to be My Cup of Tea, Premier Edition, then comes Manila Magic.